Did you know that by keeping your double opt-in enabled, you might be leaving money on the table? Stick around and I'll show you how to fix that in under 60 seconds. I'm Eric from Strategy Email, and today I'm going to be diving into a crucial topic that could significantly impact your email marketing efforts: how to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this is something you definitely want to consider. Let's get started. For those of you new to Klaviyo, double opt-in is a process where subscribers need to confirm their subscription via email before being added to your list. While this can help you keep your list clean, it can also lead to missed opportunities. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to disable it and explain why you might want to do so. Here is the quick 5-step process to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. We're going to go to the Klaviyo homepage. We're going to go to Audience, click the drop down next to it. We're going to go to Lists and Segments. Once we're here in Lists and Segments, what we're going to do is we're going to choose whatever list you're looking to change. So in this case, I'm going to change this email list. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to click the 3 dots that unfortunately are right behind me right now, I believe, but it's this 3 dots right here for the email list. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to click on List Settings. Now that we're in List Settings, we're on the left side, we're going to click on Consent. In the Consent section, we're going to scroll down to where it says Opt-in Process, and we're going to click Single Opt-in. We're going to scroll up, and we're going to click Save. And there we go. We just set up single opt-in for the entire email list. Now, before you make this switch, let's weigh the pros and cons. While single opt-in can increase your subscriber count, it might also bring in unengaged users or spam. But don't worry, regular list cleaning and engagement strategies can help mitigate that risk. On the other hand, double opt-in ensures high quality lists, but it might lower your conversion rates. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the link in the video description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I share tips, tricks, and other strategies to help you improve your email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching, and remember, smarter marketing starts with smarter strategies. See you in the next video.